Welcome to a year-long journey, an odyssey in pursuit of the elusive Big Pike.
Does I want to kick?
As we brave the changing seasons beneath the sky's sprawling canvas, we are reminded that we are more than fishermen. We are adventurers. We are dreamers. Sharpened by frostbite winters, cleansed by the cool ripple of open water springs, scorched beneath the relentless summer sun, and humbled by the spectacular colors of autumn. Every cast of the line and twist of the reel, we seek more than a prize. It is a quest for understanding, a testament of our resolve against the wild yet beautiful unpredictability of nature. Each piece of equipment, each map and marked location, they bear a silent testimony to our story. Scrawled not by ink, but by grit and anticipation. Join us in our unflinching quest for the ultimate reward. On the frontier of the water's edge, immerse yourself, feel your heart race with each tug of the line, dance with each ripple of the water, beat with the rhythm of our shared passion, our relentless pursuit that's more about the journey than the destination. Let the adventure unfold as we dive deeper into the trials and tribulations of seeking out Big Pike through the pages of the seasons.
Absolutely.
Whether we find ourselves mid-ice or open water. Remember, beneath the surface awaits the thrill of a chase, the heartbeat of our story.
There he goes. Go on.
Look at this. I can't move that. Okay.
A little bit of a fight.
Not fighting. For the hoist. Look at that!
40.
Just 40, isn't that what you wanted?